The dynamic track is on. It's following him, as you see. He walked right under the tree. Look at this, guys. Look at that. It's going right around the tree with no problem. How cool is that? So guys, when you're taking your snowboards out or on your skateboard, on your mountain bike or bicycle, and you're cruising through a woodsy area, as you've seen right there, it just went right around the tree like it wasn't even there. Like, look. All right, guys, so I'm going to have Andrew demonstrate on how the arms fold on the Evo. Go ahead, Captain.
All right, so we're going to do the rear legs first, and then the front legs.
And they just fold and fold. There's no loop-de-loop or anything like that. Just look at that. Pretty straightforward, guys. Hey, guys, Andrew's going to show us how to remove and put on the props.
All right, so with this, you're just going to push down and twist. Let me hold that motor there. Down and twist. It's going to pop off, just like a medicine bottle. Safety child lock. Push down, twist, and you're locked in there.
Awesome. That's simple. Thanks, man. All right, guys, I'd like to thank Autel Robotics again for coming out. Thank you, Andrew. Guys, listen, we got a great insight of the Evo today. This bird is a phenomenal bird. It's awesome. You can see it in the sky, and it's fast. And guys, pre-order this in the link below. Thanks, Joe. Have a great day.